Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. A lonely man's struggle, full story. There is a man who lives alone in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Many believe that them set DUPPY upon him in an house, because when he is on the road alone him normal. But as him reach him gate him start cuss and say, on my bumbaclot house, leave. Then he'll repeat again saying, you know blood clot gone yet. People are always puzzled by how his behavior suddenly changes as soon as he steps through his gate. Anytime him dep on the road, him sound polite and behave normal. When he's at home, he rants throughout the day, cussing the duppies that share the space with him. He's an elder now, but this curse has been affecting him since he was only 6 years old. He even had a wife and children, but they had to move out from around him because of his behavior and the strange things that go bump in the night. It is believed that someone set DUPPY upon him, but who did it and why remains a mystery to this day.
Like and follow for more. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube.